So here we are in the old man's garage. Managed to make a little bit of room just purely by standing it upright, which actually works out quite well. You can get to everything, you can see everything, you can check all various bolts that I couldn't get to yesterday, so I will have another go around, make sure everything's tight. But what I'm doing today, I've pulled it out a bit. See, it's a bit hard to do with one hand. That is the steering shaft. Obviously, turn the handlebars down the back there, which will turn the wheels, and that pivots in there. What I'm doing is, there's just it's a bit hard to do. You can see that? I'm just trying to take that play out. Because when the bike's on the floor, when the quad's on the floor, it's magnified. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually quite loud. So I'm going to drill and put a grease nipple in there. Managed to get one. I've measured the size of the thread, so I'm just going to drill, tap that shaft, put a grease nipple in there, and hopefully the grease will take that out and still allow it to move, and it should just be an improved modification. It will make that wear less because of the grease in there. Hopefully take that noise out. What it's doing, when I drive it down the road, it's vibrating like mad. I'm just going to try that, take it from there. It's not going to hurt anyway, so hopefully it fixes it. If it doesn't, it's more lubricated, it will last longer, and I'll search for something else. So I've literally just been searching all the old toolboxes in here. Well, I shouldn't open with that bottom one open, to be fair, but I've been looking through all the old tools. Managed to find this gem, which is what I was looking for. To be honest, I can't believe I found it, but between me and my dad, there's not much we haven't got. So, micrometer. So where are the nipples? There are the nipples there, as you can see. This torch is getting in the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the thread, decide what drill bit I need, and take it from there. So that's what it's measured. If you can see, it's measured 8mm. Obviously you get to the 5, 6, 7, and the 8 just disappeared. So I'm going to class that as 8mm. But don't forget, that's the highest point of the thread. That's not the lowest point of the thread. So I can't use an 8mm drill, because then I'll have nothing to tap into. So I'm probably going to use a 6.5. Best to start smaller, and that way you can up the size of the drill if the tap's too tight. But if you make it too big, then well, it's game over really. So yeah, I'm going to start small. I'm going to start with a 6.5, I think, and take it from there. So as you can see, I've got my tap and die set out. I've actually lent that, to be honest. It's not mine. I have got one, but it's not as good. I didn't want to risk it. This is the thing that determines what thread you need to use. Various ones in there. I found this one to be a 1mm. It's not going to focus. Maybe if I go on the flat surface. See, there you go. It says 1mm on there. You can just about work it out. So what you need to do, you try various ones against the thread and see which one fits perfectly. So you can see that fits perfectly. So that is the correct one to use. So I'll just find the correct one in there and use that.